Good morning, students. So, students, today we are going to start with a new topic of civics, lesson number 12, working of government. So, today our topic is about the state legislature. So, let's start. So, every state had its own government to look after the welfare of the people. So, every state in India has a legislative assembly called Vidhan Sabha and legislative council called Vidhan Parishad. So, some states the legislature have two houses are called bicameral legislature, and the legislature that have only legislative assembly is called unicameral legislature. Only 6 states in India, Andhra Pradesh, J&K, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh have bicameral legislature, and the other states have unicameral legislature. So now this one is your first Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Parishad is the upper house of the state legislature. Is called Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council, and its members are called MLC, means members of legislative councils. The members, the number of members in the legislative council should not be more than 1/3 of the size of the legislative assembly, and should not be not less than 40. And for becoming a member of the state legislative council, a person should be citizen of India and not less than 30 years of age. And the members of the Vidhan Parishad are elected by the state legislative assembly. So next is your Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha is also called legislative assembly, and here the members of the Vidhan Sabha are directly elected by the people of the state, and the size of the legislative assembly is not fixed. It depends on the population of the state, and here the members cannot be more than 500 members in it and not less than 60. And during election time or for the purpose of election, each state is divided into smaller areas called constituencies. So what is constituency? Means a smaller area in which a state is divided for the purpose of voting, and each constituency elect only one representative who become a MLA means member of the legislative assembly. So the leader of the majority party, right? The leader of the majority party is appointed as the chief minister of the state, and these MLA belongs to the different political parties, and after the election the MLA belonging to the majority party form the government of the state, not from the MLC, from the MLA. So the Vidhan Sabha or legislative assembly, in legislative assembly money bill can be introduced here, and it also passes the budget of the state. So students, based on this topic you have to do the question answers of practice zone 1 and practice zone 2 in your notebook. Thank you.